everyone, welcome to Lekker Treats. So in today's video we'll be making pound cake. All ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description box below. So we have some flour, sugar, eggs, butter, milk, salt, vanilla aroma and baking powder. We'll start off by preheating our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Next, we'll be sifting 200 grams of flour to get rid of lumps and also aerate it. We'll then add a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt to the sifted flour. Mix everything well together and set it aside to use later. Next, in our mixing bowl, we'll be adding 200 grams of butter, and this should be at room temperature. And we'll add 200 grams of sugar. You can reduce the sugar to suit your preference, and then we mix it up on low setting and gradually increase it to medium setting. We mix everything up until we have a fluffy consistency. So this is what we should have. Next, we'll be adding our eggs one at a time. So each time you add your egg, you mix everything up on low setting. And then mix up everything with your spatula, and then add the next egg. Repeat this procedure until you are done adding all your eggs. For this recipe, we added 4 eggs. Next, we'll be adding our vanilla aroma, and this is about 5 grams. Mix it up for just a minute, and then we move on to adding our flour. The mixer should be on low setting. So each time we add our flour, we add a bit of our milk as well. And for this recipe, we added about 50 ml of milk. Mix everything up for about a minute more, and then we are good to go. Our cake batter is ready, and I have here about 25 centimeter baking tin which has been greased with butter. And then to this we'll be pouring in our cake batter, and we will level the top of it and then tap it on our working surface to get rid of any air bubble. We'll be baking the cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour, or until a toothpick comes out clean after poking it into the middle of the cake. Once the cake is done, we let it rest for about 10 minutes and then run a knife along the sides of the cake to help take it out and allow it to cool on a cooling rack. Finally, our cake is done. Let's slice it to see how it looks like. It's very soft. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and will give this recipe a try at home. Thanks so much for your time. and please subscribe to this channel for more food recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.